In the near future, what do you think is going to be your most essential asset? Is it a factory, a machinery, or land? Well, if you think these are going to be the most essential assets, you are completely wrong. Because there are a lot of millionaires out there who already have all these things, but they are still going for one specific thing, which is brand presence. And brand presence is going to be your most essential asset in coming future. And today I'm going to tell you how you can enhance your brand presence with the help of AI. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Bay10x has an exclusive AI tool workshop. Do check it out, link is in the description. Now, to make this video easier for you, I have divided this video in 3 parts. The first is text-based content, the second is post-based content, and the third is video-based content. The first one, text-based content. We are going to use this type of content for LinkedIn posts or Facebook posts. Before I tell you how you can create this type of content, if you want to go viral in social media, you have to provide a lot of values in short amount of time. And if you are able to do this, you are going to go viral. Now, the first step is you need to decide what type of content you have to deliver. Either you can go with inspirational content, value-based content, or motivational content. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give us some content ideas. So I have decided I'm gonna go with inspirational type of content. You can select any niche you want. I'm gonna go with inspirational. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me 10 inspirational values, which I can post on LinkedIn posts, and it's gonna give you 10 inspirational values. Alright, so ChatGPT has given me these values. You can either go and post this if you want, but I'm gonna simplify this, or you can say I'm gonna short this up. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to make it short and in quotes format, so that it's gonna be interesting as well as very valuable. It's gonna give me one line quotes format, inspirational content, and you can copy this all. You can go to LinkedIn and make a post completely out of nothing. And this was text-based content. This was the most basic one, but the most important. Now we are going to move ahead to post-based content, but before we move forward, I would like to warn you with something. See, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs being replaced by AI and whatnot. And you don't want to get affected by this recessive wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the people using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours of AI tool workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upscale, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below. Alright, so let's move ahead to post-based content. As I said, text-based content was basic but most important. And we are going to use the same strategy, but we are going to make it in post. So I'm just going to use the same thing I generated right now in front of you. I'm going to go to Canva and I'm going to search their inspirational background, and make sure to add a filter of Instagram post because we have to maintain the size ratio. Okay. So I'm just going to select any background I want. I'm going to go with this one. I think this is going to be best. And then I'm going to click it. Then I'd be able to edit it easily. Then I'm going to add my own text here. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and copy our first quote and then come back to Canva. And there you go. You have your first quote right here. And then adjust the size and match the colors. I'm gonna go with white. So I'm gonna add a big heading because it's gonna grab your audience attention. I'm gonna write here hashtag inspire. I'm gonna keep adding the quotes. And there you go. You have already made a basic Instagram post in, I guess, not more than 5 minutes, I guess. And you can create as many Instagram posts as you want. Let's move ahead to the last content type, which is video-based content generation. Now, there are 2 ways to generate video-based content. In the first way, you can add your face and deliver values, and you can ask ChatGPT to generate you values just like we did earlier. Now, for the second type of content, what you have to do is you have to go to your Chrome browser and search Leonardo AI Canvas. Then you can create an account, or you can just click Launch App if you already have an account. And then you'll get 150 credits, which is more than enough. You have to go to image generation and then search here. Alright, so I've given a prompt here, which looks something like this. You have to generate the image, wait for a couple of seconds, it's gonna generate you a good image. Alright, so it has generated us a very good image. This is just an image. What you have to do is you have to click generate motion video, and with the help of this, you'd be able to convert this image into a video. And then we have our video. Look at this. This is an AI generated video. Then you have to download this video and go to your editing software. You can use any editing software you want. You can go with Canva, CapCut, or Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. You can go with any software you want. Then you have to put this video in your timeline, change your aspect ratio to 9:16. Then go to ChatGPT again, grab all the quotes you have and place all those quotes in your video, change color accordingly. And there you go, you have a good video. And now, if you want to make this video go trending on Instagram pages, you have to use trending audios. Use a trending audio and then just wait. And with the help of AI, you can generate at least 5 videos a day. And this was how you can generate content with the help of AI. Now make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video among your friends and hit that notification bell. And if you're interested in AI or AI tools, you should definitely check out our AI tool workshop. It is very cheap and believe me, it's very informative.